workshops, we give everybody an opportunity to really understand what it is that makes them tick, what is it like to be on the other side of them, but also what is it they value about each member of the team, and then finally what is that 5% flex that they can make in their style in order to optimise their influencing and have quality conversations. Ahead of the workshop, we'd invite everybody to complete an evaluator and then send them a 20-page report which outlines their typical behaviours. We'd start the day off looking at emotional composure and really understanding, what is it that helps us bring our good day behaviours, but also where do we go on bad day behaviours. We'd then do an introduction into the Insights colours, and we do some work around their reports. We look at the team wheel and where does everybody sit around the team wheel and the team dynamics. And then in the afternoon, we really get into the so what. So how do we optimise communication between team members? How do we flex our style? What is the value that each member brings to the team? How do we work in a hybrid fashion and optimise our collaboration when we're working in that way? We run a highly interactive workshop where there's a bit of input from the facilitator, lots of exercises to get involved and think about the material, lots of reflection time as well where you can talk with colleagues and think about the material that you've talked about. But we're also really clear about making sure that each person works out with some clear so what actions and help you as the manager or person in HR to really embed this in the organisation afterwards.